Today we discuss multinomial distributions. Multinomial distributions. This is the generalization of binomial distribution. For more than two variable, we use multinomial distributions. Okay. What is multinomial distributions? Let event space or sample space of a random experiment contains m points. Sample space contains m point. Let u1, u2 dot dot um. Also consider probability of e1 equal to p1, probability of u2 equal to p2 dot dot probability of equal to pm with summation of this value of this probability is 1. That is summation k equal to 1 to m, pk equal to 1. Let ai1 ai2 dot dot ai1 i2 dot dot im ai1 i2 dot dot im denotes the event u1 occurs i1 times, u2 occurs i2 times, dot dot occurs im times. That is u1 equal to i1, u1 occurs i1 times, u2 occurs i2 times, occurs im times, equal to im with summation of ik, that is i1 plus i2 dot dot im equal to n, where n is the number of trials. This is the n is the number of trials. Then probability of this event is probability of ai1 i2 dot dot im equal to n factorial. N is the number of trials by I factorial into i2 factorial into dot dot im factorial into probability of u1 is p1 to the power i1, probability of u2 is p2 to the power i2 dot dot probability of equal to pm to the power im. Okay, where i1 i2 dot dot im running from 0 1 to dot dot m, such that summation of I k equal to n. That means k running from 1 to m, that is i1 i2 dot dot im equal to n. This is the n is the number of trials. Okay, it can be written as probability of u1 equal to i1. It also can be written as u1 equal to i1, equal to i1, comma u2 equal to i2, u2 equal to i2, comma dot dot equal to im, where u1 occurs i1 times, u2 occurs i2 times, dot dot occurs im times, equal to n factorial by i1 factorial, i2 factorial, dot dot im factorial, p1 to the power i1, p2 to the power i2, dot dot pm to the power im. This is the formula, okay, for multinomial distributions. Next we discuss a problem using multinomial distributions. Problem: a die is thrown 10 times in succession. A die is thrown 10 times in succession. Find the probability of the occurrence of 6 4 times, 5 2 times, and other phases each 1 times. A die is thrown 10 times in succession. We find the probability of 6 4 times, occurrence of 6 4 times, occurrence of 5 2 times, and all other phases 1 times. Let u1 u2 dot dot u1 u2 u3 u4 u5 u6 denotes the event obtaining. u1 is the event obtaining 6, u2 is the event obtaining 1 5, u3 is the event obtaining 4, u4 is the event obtaining 3, u5 is the event obtaining 2, and u6 is the event obtaining 1 in a trial. Okay, obtaining 6 u1 is the event obtaining 6, u2 is the event obtaining 5, u3 is the event obtaining 4, u4 is the event obtaining 3, and u5 is the event obtaining 2, and u6 is the event obtaining 1 in each trial. Here given that number of trial is 10, so n is equal to 10. So probability of u1 is the event obtaining 6 in a trial, so probability of u1 equal to 1 by 6. Probability of u2 also 1 by 6. Probability of u3, probability of u4, probability of u5, probability of u6 is also 1 by 6. Since obtaining 6 in one trial, obtaining 5 is one trial, obtaining 4 is one trial, obtaining 3 is one trial, obtaining 2 is one trial, and obtaining 1 is one trial. So sample space contains 6 points, and obtaining 6 in one trial is 1 by 6, obtaining 5 in one trial is 1 by 6. Similarly, this is the 1 by 6, these are 1 by 6. So required probability is 6 obtained 4 times. 6 is the event u1, so u1 equal to 4. 5 obtained 2 times, so u2 is the event obtaining 5, so u2 equal to 4. Any other phases occur 1 time, so u1 equal to 1, u3 equal to 1, u4 equal to 1, u5 equal to 1, and u6 equal to 1. So from this formula, putting this value, n factorial means 10 factorial, I1 means 4 factorial, I2 means 2 factorial, and other is I3, I4, I5, I6. This is 1 factorial. Here P1 is the 1 by 6 by I1, 2 to the power I1 means 4, and P2 means 1 by 6, this is also 1 by 6 to the power I2 means 2, so, and P3 means 1 by 6 to the power I3 means 1. Similarly, this is to the power 1, this is to the power, this is to the power 1. After calculation, we get this. This is the required result. Okay.